Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is fancy, French, and often mispronounced. Connoisseur. So, how do you say it correctly? The pronunciation is Connoisseur. Let's break it down step by step. First, con, like contest. Then, just a light, quick sound. And finally, sur, rhyming with fur or sir. Now say it with me. Con or sur. One more time. Connoisseur. Nice. So what does connoisseur mean? A connoisseur is someone who knows a lot about a particular subject, especially art, food, wine, or music. For example, she's a real connoisseur of classical music. Fun fact, the word connoisseur comes from the French word connaître, which means to know. So a connoisseur is literally one who knows. Pretty sophisticated, right? Spelling tip. This one's a bit tricky. It's spelled Connoisseur, double N, double S, and that sneaky EUR at the end. Very French. Now that you've mastered connoisseur, you can use it like a pro, whether you're talking about food, fashion, or fine art. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a fellow word lover. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.